Day, ma'am. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Kimberly M. Ablao, 29 years old, single with 2 kids. I'm college graduate.
Please describe yourself.
I am honest, hardworking, and responsible person.
When you get hard, who will take care of your children?
My my mother and my husband will taking care of my children.
Please tell me about your work experience.
My work experience is in the Philippines, working as a housemaid. Year 2019-2021, I served 4 family members, 1 couple and 2 kids, ages 13 and 17. I do cleaning, cooking, washing, and ironing and taking care of their children. I also work as a domestic helper in Hong Kong year 2024-2025. I serve 5 family members with 1 couple, 1 elder, and 2 kids, ages 7 and 11. I do cooking, cleaning, washing, and taking care of their children.